Did you know your kitchen holds the secret to fresher breath and healthier gums, without the harsh chemicals? Stay tuned to learn how to make a simple, all-natural clove-infused mouthwash that's a game-changer for your oral care routine. Welcome back to Home and Haven Living.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more.
Today, I'll show you how to make a DIY clove-infused mouthwash. It's simple, chemical-free, and packed with antibacterial benefits. Are you ready? Let's ditch those harmful chemicals today. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup distilled water. 1 teaspoon whole cloves. Whole cloves offer antibacterial benefits. 1 teaspoon baking soda. Baking soda balances pH. 1 teaspoon Himalayan or sea salt. Salt reduces bacteria. 2 to 3 drops cinnamon or peppermint essential oil, optional, for flavor and added benefits. Directions. In a small saucepan, bring the water to a gentle boil. Add the whole cloves and reduce the heat to low. Let the cloves simmer in the water for 10 to 15 minutes to release their natural oils. Remove from heat and allow the clove water to cool completely. Strain the liquid to remove the cloves and transfer the infused water to a clean glass jar or bottle. Stir in the baking soda and salt until fully dissolved. Add the cinnamon essential oil, if using, and shake well. How to use. Shake the jar before each use. Swish 1 to 2 tablespoons of the Clove Mouthwash in your mouth for 30 seconds, then spit it out. Use daily to fight bacteria, freshen breath, and support gum health. Tip: clove water not only freshens breath but also has mild numbing properties, making it great for soothing irritated gums. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more natural DIY tips.